Hello student, let's discuss the question. In this question we have to choose the correct option. Basically we have to find out the integral of the function which is e raised to the power x multiplied by the 1 plus x divided by the cos square of e raised to the power x multiplied by the x multiplied by the dx. We have to find out the integral of this function. Firstly we are going to simplify this. So in order to simplify this, we are considering that x multiplied by the dx e raised to the power x is equals to t. Now we are going to differentiate this with respect to x on both sides. So this from here become equals to d divided by the dx of x multiplied by the e raised to the power x, and this become equals to d divided by the dx of t. Now this is a multiplication of two functions, so we are going to use the product rule, and according to the product rule the differentiation of first function multiplied by the second function remain as it is, plus the differentiation of second function multiplied by the first function remain as it is. This from here is equals to dt divided by the dx, and differentiation of x with respect to x is 1 multiplied by the e raised to the power x, plus differentiation of e raised to the power x with respect to x is e raised to the power x, and x remain as it is from here. This become equals to dt divided by the dx. So the value of dx from here become equals to dt divided by the e raised to the power x plus x e raised to the power x. Now we are having the value of the x, we are also having the value of x multiplied by the e raised to the power x. So we can say that the value of the function I from here become equals to I is equals to integral of e raised to the power x multiplied by the 1 plus x, which is divided by the cos square of, and we let that x multiplied by the e raised to the power x is t, so this become equals to t, and we know that dx is equals to dt divided by the e raised to the power x plus x multiplied by the e raised to the power x. From the denominator we can take e raised to the power x common, so this become equals to e raised to the power x multiplied by the 1 plus x divided by the cos square of t multiplied by the dt, which is divided by the, taking e raised to the power x common, we are only left with 1 plus x inside the bracket. So e raised to the power x multiplied by the 1 plus x cancels in both the numerator and denominator. So we are only left with integral of dt divided by the cos square of t, and we know that 1 divided by the cos of x is equals to secant of x. So cos square of x is also equals to secant square of x. So in the same way 1 divided by the cos square of x become equals to secant, it's t. 1 divided by cos square of t is equals to secant square of t multiplied by the dt, and we know that the integral of secant square of x multiplied by dx is equals to tangent of x plus c. So plugging the value, so integral of secant square of t with respect to dt become equals to integral of secant square of t multiplied by dt become equals to tangent of t plus c. Now we are going to plug the value of the t. T is x raised to the power x multiplied by e raised to the power x. So the value of I from here become equals to tangent of x multiplied by e raised to the power x plus c. So this is the answer to given question. So students, in order to solve this, we use the basic concept of integrals. I hope you understood the concept well.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.